I'm by name Sule John Omeza, the project supervising officer, E-Phaim Energy. From our project, just want to explain the water sprinkler system. As you can see from up, it's sprinkling water in form of steam. It's one of its kind. For two reasons, here we have the pressure pump, which puts much pressure on the water coming from the net. Now to sprinkle water on the panel, it has two major reasons, and the reasons are: one, it serves as coolant. You know, this is northern part of the country where we experience high temperature. So, and to every 10 degree rise in temperature, you have 5 degree drop in solar harvest. So now this has automatically curbed that aspect of it, where whenever there is rise in temperature, this come up to cool it down, and it also is activated automatically indoor there. So where immediately the time comes to a certain degree, it pop up. It activates the pressure pump, whereby it cools the system. Then also, you don't need somebody going up often. This is a large system. You don't need somebody going up often to go and be washing, cleaning the panel for better harvest. This has automatically handled it.